My name is Caroline Sengrat, and I work for Terra HDD Solutions. I have my hands on quite a few projects, actually all the projects within the organization, but they're important because that's the life of the business. That's what we do. So you gotta keep the show going. The biggest challenges is trying to figure out the right project team and size based on the volume and adapting. So we just sometimes find we'll be really light on administrative work, and then the next minute we don't have enough people to help. And so it's kind of hard in this economy to keep your hand on the pulse, whether you think you're going to get an influx of work or it's just coming right up in a moment's notice. I'm excited for the summer. I'm excited to see some sun and just to have a little bit more positivity. It's kind of been very somber the last couple of weeks and months. I feel like it started, even back with the Super Bowl, and a lot of, shaming with that. And, it's kind of piggybacked off the virus or the election. So just to, have a little bit more love and positivity.